Used a pallet as a ramp to get the bike up inside in case it rained today. We're gonna go explore another gravel road that I think I know where it goes, but I'm not 100% sure. Windy today, but just perfect hoodie riding weather. Hoodie riding weather. Hoodie riding weather. Rained a little bit a couple hours ago. Roads may be just a little bit slick in spots. And it rained for like 4 days straight last week, so there's probably still some water running off the mountains in places. This is how I've been spending all my lunches now, guys. Way more interesting than a trip to Wendy's. So I do notice with these tires, occasionally if I gear down too far and it really revs it up, I'll get a little skid slide on the back tire. Basically, I've just got to keep telling myself, yes, it's a street bike. Yes, I have knobbies. No, I'm not a sport bike racer, and I just need to take it easy, enjoy the ride. Don't ride like I'm trying to beat lap times. That's for dirt. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the scenery, and make sure I get home to my family. I'll tell you what's nice though. My phone's sitting here charging on the phone mount without the battery case on it and not being in my pocket. It's so much more comfortable to ride without a phone in my pocket. And these Fly Light gloves seem to still work with my phone pretty well. Kind of zoom in a little closer where I'm at. Cane Hill Road. Let's see where this goes. This is some beautiful countryside right here. Wow. This is what West Virginia's all about. Check out this cool bridge, man. That is super cool. Don't see them like that anymore. know where that one goes. Holy cow. We found some mud. Tires handled it no problem. Here's a rock. Look at that. Sick. Hey cows. Yeah, this front wheel's got me a little leery. Let's just say I respect it a little more than I did. But I'm definitely not weighting it much. I'm trying to be easy on the throttle and all that stuff. Definitely not trying to go down again. Wow. I would take a picture there if it wasn't posted. This is the way to go, man. If you don't have time to man, I'd like to go up there and take a photo. That'd be sick. If you don't have time to map out a specific route, just put the Moto app up on your phone and just zoom in and out wherever you need, and you can kind of at least see the direction you're heading. Back on a little pavement now. Thanks. I've never been on this road before, but I have seen the sign from somewhere. See where it pops me out at. Feels weird to stand up on a bike like this. I don't know if it's because the bars are lower or what, but okay, now we're on Steel Ridge. Gotcha, know exactly where we came from now. It's crazy how you see all these road names, and unless you spend time studying Google Earth, like, you never imagine how they really all connect together unless you just come out and ride them. But almost all of them, it's like almost every road connects to something, and it makes sense after you've taken it, but until then it's just kind of overwhelming. Hopefully I beat the rain back to the yard. I don't know, guys, there's just something therapeutic about this crap. Just like yesterday I mowed for 2 hours on my old Massey Ferguson 135 tractor, family tractor. I just couldn't get off that thing. I could have kept going and going and going. Just something about it.